I've had a lovely person on chat called Imac Hunt, who's also just dropped us $10, which is very, very kind of him. So,
Yeah, Vic.
no, I kid you not.
Seriously?
Seriously, he's just dropped me $10. I'm over the moon again. It's just like last night.
What? Fucking hell, mate.
It's brilliant.
Right, okay.
Yeah, so again, I'm over the moon with that one. So it's in the chat.
What's his name?
Imac Hunt. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Fucking hell. Is that you, you cunt? I've just realised I've said that wrong, haven't I? Yeah. Fuck me. Yeah. Is that you? Honestly, is that you? Fucker.
Yeah,
From New York. You cunt. I was over the moon. I've just... Now that you've just asked me to read it again. Wow. I can't believe you done that. I am so putting this on TikTok now. I am so putting this on TikTok. I was over the moon then. I was really excited. And I did think...
Man, I was trying to stop myself from wetting myself.
Yeah, you fucking...
If you read it to iMac,
I'm a cunt. Yeah, I've just seen it. Yeah.